Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest news and tech videos. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. We are going to be unboxing Huawei P30. I'm using the P30 Pro right now and it's one of the best phones I have been using. So without waiting, let's start off with the P30 unboxing. First of all, you're getting this phone. It looks a lot like the P30 Pro. We'll be coming back to this a bit later. So keeping this on the side. In the box, you're getting a SIM injection tool, a plastic casing, a silicone casing that's really good. That's Huawei always included in their top-notch phones. You're getting the charger. It supports the supercharge. It's not the 15 watts charger, but it does support the supercharge. And then you're getting a USB Type-C cable and a USB Type-C headphone. And one of the good things that I like about Huawei is that they include everything in the box. So we'll be keeping this on the side. So let's take off this. This made a really good noise, and I'll be taking this out a bit later. So we'll start off with the phone first. If you do see, this looks a lot like the P30 Pro, but the chassis and the body is a bit smaller. On the P30 Pro, you are getting a quad camera setup. On the P30, you are getting a triple camera setup and a single camera on the front. Other than that, both of these phones do have an in-display fingerprint reader. So in comparison, you're paying 30% more for camera primarily. The P30 Pro supports IP68 and this supports IP53, and for the price you're getting the P30. That's a lot for this phone. So without waiting, let's start off with the phone. I'll be back after I've set up this phone. So finally I've set up this phone and we'll be jumping directly into the system, and we'll be seeing what you are getting out of the box. So just like the P30 Pro model, you are getting the EMUI 9.1 and Android 9. You're getting an 8 GB RAM, which is the same as the S10 Plus, and 128 gigs of storage. So one of the good things about Huawei is they do give a lot of features in all of their phones. So hands off to Huawei for that. Other than that, the phone comes with a 3650 milliamp hour battery, and as far as I know, this will last you a day's work, so no issues over there. It does come with a supercharge, so you can charge this phone anytime you want. One of the good things about this phone is that you're also getting a headphone jack that you were missing in the P30 Pro model. And in the P30 Pro model, you're getting a SIM card tray on the bottom, whereas over here you're getting it on the side. So really good features. I do like the screen as well. Everything is perfect over here, and I will be testing this phone against the Note 9, S10 Plus, and I will be doing a speed test comparison between this phone and the P30 Pro model as well, because I'm sure a lot of you will want to know if it's worth buying the P30 Pro or spending a little less and buying this model. In my opinion, you are getting a lot of features in the P30 model, so I might just stay with the P30 and with my S10 Plus and the P30. So I'll be telling you about that a bit later in a separate video. I like the camera because they are given a lot of features in the camera as well. There's a night mode, portrait mode, and one of the best features about Huawei phones is the AI that detects the scenario and then adjusts accordingly. So one of the good features about the P30 is the in-display fingerprint reader, and just like the Pro model, you are getting an in-display fingerprint reader, and we'll be testing out, just for the sake of testing right now, which one is faster or it's just equal. So it was faster. It was, sorry, about the same on both of these phones. So we'll be doing that with screens turned on in 3, 2, 1. So about the same, so as you see, Huawei has given a lot of good features in the basic model as well. So in my opinion, if you don't want to spend so much money on the Pro model, you can definitely go and buy the basic version, and with a triple camera setup that's more advanced than the Mate 20. You're getting the same Kirin 980 processor in the Pro model as well as in this model. So not much of a difference other than the IP68 and IP53 rating, uh, the cameras, and other than that, Huawei has kept everything the same. So if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and do comments on which of the models, the Pro model or the basic model, you like. And I will be doing a comparison soon. So stay tuned, make sure you are subscribed. Keep liking the video, keep sharing, it helps a lot. And take care and bye bye.